What's up, guys? Wanted to do a video on this JK. Built it for a buddy 2 years ago with ORIs. It actually has my old Gladiators, Dana 60 and Dana 80 axles, my wrecked one, and we put them under this and got him built up with 14-inch ORIs all around, and it did awesome. You can see it all over the internet. Well, he recently wanted to be able to do a little bit more high speeds and get a little bit more travel out of things, so we went to a coilover, Fox 2.5s, the racing performance or factory racing one, so adjusters, everything. The old Artec mounts, which we originally had on the towers right there. Built some new bump stops, some Fox 2.0 bump stops as well there. An anti-rock in the front. Again, it's a Fusion Dana 60, 73.5 WMS axle with 538 gears. The new coilover purchase, since I couldn't raise him any higher on the frame side without removing the master cylinder there, master booster brake system, I had to make these guys lower, and I like having as much, just because now they're sitting lower, I wanted to make it a skid. So essentially I built it to it wraps all the way around the front and then has a skid that connects to the control arm, because as you can see, this guy drives by braille, as he says. So if he hits something, he'll hit it again and then see if he can work around it. So obviously I need to make sure everything is strong enough. Has an RPM track bar, and actually the problem is it was slightly off from where the new track bar bracket that I made was for, and I couldn't get anything higher over there and I couldn't get anything lower over here, so I actually did an offset tie rod in there, which gives enough clearance for the track bar to clear the differential. As you can see, the scratch marks from where the old one used to sit. Did some TMR toe strap tie downs for trailers. Built him a new Hydro Assist Ram skid, which is 1/4 inch, gusseted all the way through, wraps around, connects to the truss. Built a new track bar bracket, and the problem with having to build one is no one else on the market could have me have it sit over as far as I wanted, but everyone else is also didn't have the right clearance that I needed down here for the steering to actually clear the Hydro Assist. So built that guy up for him. Limit straps, front coilovers, and then previously we did a Gen Right roll cage for him that we had powder coated in a brassy gold with their aluminum roof, some PRP Enduro seats, an NRG and PRP steering wheel and disconnect. Did a new sound system for him, so there's actually one of those this one's a Serwin Vega, but one of those mini power 10-inch subs that go under here, and then he has an amp that I tucked way up under there, new speakers, tower speakers in the rear. He had put like a 70s J20 or like a C10 style seat in the back here for a bracket I made him like years and years ago, so it works. So once he actually is planning on getting new seats, we'll put these ones in the back and then put new seats in the front. So those work. Has the old school Gen Right fuel cell. 42 BFGs, 20-inch grenade bead locks, anti-rock in the rear, and then coilover towers in the rear as well. Have them gusseted, new bump stops for them, mounts on there. Actually has rock crawler long arm in the front that we had aluminum links built for it. It's a 3-link. My whim of a skid plate that I made for him a couple years ago that seems to be working. And then the rock crawler rear long arm that we triangulated for the rear suspension here. All new brake lines, all new everything. And the rear is a Dana 80, again from my Gladiator, so I had a truss on there because I had a triangulated suspension. But the new coilover towers, I wanted to make sure everything was high clearance, so when he backs up, he wasn't railing into shit. Has the sway bar, so it's up and out of the way, clears everything on the tower and the frames, and then limit straps as well. You guys have any questions on this thing, post it down below. Otherwise, give me a thumbs up. Helps my YouTube channel. All right, y'all. See you next video.